Hey, it's Joyce. If you've been following my self-timer series on here and you're looking for more inspiration and ideas to pose better, this is where I break it down for you to get stunning and dramatic photos in your next shoot. First of all, don't tense your body. It's normal to feel nervous in front of the camera, so if it helps, you can shake your body to relax them. Okay, now we can start. This one is one of my go-to poses when I don't know what to do. I call this the block the sun with my hand pose. It can definitely look dramatic, but it works all the time, I promise. You can also do this while laying down and placing your hand at the corner of your head. Here's another example of the pose while I hold a prop. It helps to also tilt your head up, but you can look in different directions. You can look down, at the camera, or up in the sky. And actually blocking your hand from the sunlight definitely works as well. To get a more dramatic pose, you can do this while leaning against something like a wall or a cupboard.
Sounds angry because I'm trying so many things at one time. You see, I haven't sorted them out. I have a whole bag of things that I'm trying to work through and get the one essential.
Secondly, this is about using your angles. Instead of shooting your body straight towards the camera, turn it sideways. This will help accentuate and elongate your body. I personally like turning my back towards the camera and looking back over my shoulder. This is a great pose if you want to show off the back details from your outfit as well. Here's another tip for you. Try to tilt your head at an angle when you look at the camera. This will make the pose look more natural and candid. Now we're going to shake things up a little bit. I'm going to use this macrame prop I found in my room to demonstrate, but you can use anything you want. For instance, your phone can be a great one to place in front of you for selfies. Cute pets like bunnies are also a huge cuteness bonus to place on your lap or hold them up gently. If your prop is a small object, you can try placing it in front or near your face to achieve a certain expression. Some examples include flowers or fruits. And of course, you can simply place the prop in front of you and hold it with both hands. Okay, say you don't have any props you can use. What do you do with your hands and arms? You can simply cross your arms in front of you and lift one arm up to create an L shape. Use one of the hands to support your other elbow or tuck your hand under the elbow. Crossing your arms is also a natural pose that we as humans do, so it shouldn't feel awkward at all. You can also do this as a subtle way to show some skin with your bare shoulders. Another favorite of mine is the injured arm pose, so to speak. Leave one arm hanging downwards as you rest your other hand on it. You can also try pretending to reach out with one arm to add some motion. And lastly, tugging or pulling on parts of your clothing also adds confidence to your poses. For this particular one, you may want to make sure you have clean hands before touching your face. I personally love this one because this adds a very personable touch to the pose, and it makes you more approachable in the photo. You can do this sideways or while you are lying down. Simply placing your hand on your cheek or chin also conveys a certain mystery, like you're thinking about something or someone. For a more confident and powerful pose, you can try angling your arm upwards and touch the side of your head or temples. Let's talk about legs. This is all about shifting your body weight on one leg and bending or extending the other. This will elongate your body and make you definitely look taller. Having one leg in front of the other will also give that illusion. This pose also strangely reminds me of having to pee really badly, but at the same time it looks very elegant. Crossing your legs also definitely works very well when you're sitting. There are many ways to cross your legs, as you can see in some of these examples. The best way is to try whatever is most comfortable for you. Lastly, I'm going to touch up on creating different shapes with your body. Posing can definitely be an art form and a visual language we share. It's amazing how our body language and posture can say so much about us in an image. The easiest way to start is by bending your arms towards you with your elbows away from your body. You'd be surprised how many abstract shapes you can make with these simple body movements. Here are a few more examples on how you can pose to create shapes. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram. And I'll see you guys in the next video.